year, the Jamaica 4-H clubs puts on exhibitions, one per parish, celebrating the achievements of its young farming clubites. This year's expos were virtual and held under the theme Youth in Agriculture, Strengthening Food Security Through Technology and Innovation.
We were able to not only demonstrate our theme through competition, but in terms of the displays from our partner agencies and also from the different presentations that were held, we were able to allow our supporters to take away the importance of everyone playing their role in food production in Jamaica. What is important is also to get our young people to appreciate and to value the production of food using different approaches, to play a key role in the sector, because not only are we promoting primary agricultural production, we are big on going down the value chain, agro-processing. One of the things that we have been doing over the last 3-4 years, and we have really been using our Parish Achievement Day as a vehicle for it, is food diversification. We believe that one of the things we're going to have to do is to make better use of the food that is available to us. A lot of things that are here, we don't eat it. Spanish nigel is as good as callaloo. It grows in the wild. It also will take good advantage of the climate variation, better than callaloo will. One of the largest imports of vegetable in Jamaica is grapes. But we have sea grapes on the coastal area in such abundance, we don't eat it. And I wouldn't even want to go where meat is concerned, because we also use our Parish Achievement Day to show the versatility. We are positioned rabbit, because rabbit is a healthy protein source. You have ever thought about the grasshopper?
Yes, you heard right, the grasshopper. This herbivore is known for its nutrients and would be an ideal addition to anyone's diet.
The reality is that we're going to have to become a lot more diversified. And so in our trust in terms of food diversification, we are saying, and we're using our achievement, because if you're able to change the tastes of our children, you're able to change the taste of your population. In 4-H, we have huge prizes. In fact, the 4-H ambassador, male and female, one of the prizes that they get is $1 million in cash, in addition to many other prizes. Have our competition in 3 key areas: in agro-processing, in agriculture, and in leadership. So of course, public speaking is an important part of what we do in 4-H, and it's a part of helping our youngsters and preparing them to become future leaders in the agricultural sector. The 4-H clubs is not just a school club, but we are big on community clubs as well as church clubs. And I just want to make the point that one of our big emphasis this year and going forward is to put a lot more resources in our community club. We are going to ensure that Jamaica becomes the choice place to live and to raise family and do business.